morning, friends. Important video. We all know that GST Council has recently made certain recommendations, including amnesty scheme. Now these are being notified. First one. For non-filing of GSTR4 for quarter period when we talk about financial year 17-18 and 18-19. And for the financial year starting from 2019-20 to 21-22. Now this late fees is capped and which is 500 rupees. So in excess of 500 rupees, which includes both CGST late fees and SGST late fees, is being waived. So capping of 500 rupees. But if you're having a nil tax liability, then complete waiver, full waiver, no late fees is going to be charged. Only condition is now you must file GSTR4 by 30th June 2023. Second change pertaining to GSTR 9 and 9C. In case you are a registered person and you fails to file a return as prescribed under section 44. So annual return GSTR 9 and which includes self-certified reconciliation statement also GSTR 9C if you have failed to file. And there are two important changes which we must know. If it is for financial year 22-23, which is due date is 31st December 23. So there's a reduction in late fees and two category. If aggregate turnover is up to 5 crore, then late fees would be 50 rupees per day, subject to maximum of 0.04% of turnover in the state or union territory. If turnover is falling between 5 to 20 crore, then late fees would be 100 rupees per day, subject to maximum of 0.04% of turnover in that respective state or UT. So this reduction is being done on recommendation of GST Council. And when I'm referring this 50 per day or 100 per day, it includes both CGST and SGST late fees in terms of section 47 of CGST Act. Having said, what about past financial year starting from 17-18 to 21-22? Capping of late fees now 20,000 rupees. If you have not filed for the past financial year, return under section 44, which is annual return and which may include self-certified reconciliation statement also. Capping of late fees is 20,000 rupees. Only condition is you must file by 30th June 2023. Another important point which you must know pertaining to this, if aggregate turnover is more than 20 crore, then there is no reduction in late fees. It will be 200 rupees per day, subject to maximum of 0.5% of turnover in the respective state or UT. This is pertaining to 9 and 9C. Third change, GSTR 10 final return. And for the period 17-18 to 21-22. Now there will be capping of late fees, which is 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees. Includes CGST late fees and SGST late fees. So capping is 500 for CGST, 500 for SGST, total is 1,000 rupees. Condition, you must file your final return GSTR 10 by 30th June 2023. Fourth change. In case best judgment order is being passed under section 62 for non-filing of GSTR 3B and GSTR 10, and that too you could not file within 30 days as prescribed, and such order is being passed on or before 28th of February 2023. So कोई भी बेस्ड जजमेंट ऑर्डर फॉर नॉन फाइलिंग ऑफ 3B and 10 पास हो गया, and within 30 days you could not file such return, और ये ऑर्डर कब पास हुआ? ऑन और बिफोर 28th of February 2023. एक स्पेसिफिक एमनेस्टी दे दी गई. What is this amnesty given? कि you should furnish such return along with tax, interest and late fees. You should submit, and date is 30th June 2023. So by 30th June 2023 you must file and pay corresponding tax, interest and late fees. And there is stated that this order which is being passed under section 62, once you file the return, pay the tax, interest and late fees, it would be deemed withdrawal of that order. Deemed withdrawal. And irrespective of fact, आपके अगेंस्ट में ऑर्डर पास हो गया, आप रिटर्न नहीं भर पाए, या आपने अपील फाइल की या नहीं की, and if you have filed the appeal whether decided or not decided, you will get the advantage. Only condition, you must file 3B and 10 by 30th June. Pay tax, interest and late fees. Advantage for such order which is being passed on or before 28th of February 23. That would be deemed withdrawn. Come to the next one, fifth one. Revocation of cancellation of GST registration. This is much awaited. So many GST registration got cancelled for non-filing of return for composition dealer and other registered person, normal taxpayer, as per section 29 subsection 2 clause B and clause C. Registration got cancelled. Time period specified under section 30, which is 30 days, that also got expired. And now we are not in a position to file revocation application. So this special window, amnesty, is being opened now. And as per this amnesty, it is being prescribed. You can file your application for revocation of cancellation of GST registration by following this procedure. First, whatever return pending as on the date of cancellation of GST registration, you must furnish. Pay the tax, interest and late fees. So special window, and this time period would be 30th June 2023. By 30 जून तक आपको ये फर्निश करना है रिटर्न, टैक्स पे करना है, इंटरेस्ट एंड लेट फीस. सो जो टाइम पीरियड था और आप रिवोकेशन एप्लीकेशन फाइल नहीं कर पाए, दिस स्पेशल विंडो नाउ, स्पेशल विंडो. If appeal is being filed against such cancellation of GST registration order, and that is also decided against because time period you have not followed 30 days, irrespective of अगर आपकी अपील भी फाइल हुई और रिजेक्ट हो गई तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आपके लिए स्पेशल विंडो है. You must file first your return for which your registration got cancelled as per section 29 subsection 2 clause B and clause C. टैक्स दीजिए, इंटरेस्ट दीजिए, लेट फीस दीजिए. आई एम रिपीटिंग बट फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ ऑल माई ऑडियंस. एंड टाइम पीरियड प्रिस्क्राइब 30th June 2023. So must follow this one. ऑर्डर पास हो गया, आपने अपील फाइल की, अपील रिजेक्ट हो गई, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You can avail this amnesty scheme. Thank you very much.